In this video, let us see how we can calibrate the gyroscope sensor. The gyroscope measures the rate of rotation and helps keep the drone balanced. They are used to provide stability or maintain a reference direction. We have to make sure that the drone is on a level surface before starting the calibration process. And here, after opening the app, touch on the settings button. And from here, you can select the gyro option from the drop down for calibrating the gyroscope. And here we have reached the gyroscope calibration phase, and here we can see a slider, and we have to swipe the slider to start the calibration process. And here we swipe, and now our gyroscope has been calibrated successfully.